Steam won't open? 2 fixes, 30 seconds. Here's what to do. Bottom right of your screen, click the small arrow to open the system tray. If Steam's icon is in there, right-click it and hit Exit Steam. Give it a second to fully close, then try opening Steam normally. Fixed? Drop a comment saying fixed. It helps other people find this. If you didn't see the icon or it's still not opening, right-click the Windows icon on the bottom left of your taskbar and open Task Manager. At the top, there's a search box. Type Steam. Right-click every Steam entry you see and hit End Task. Get all of them. Once the list is clear, try opening Steam again. Steam gets stuck mid-close and blocks itself from relaunching. Killing the processes forces a clean start. Still not opening? Before you uninstall, open your Steam install folder. This PC, C, Program Files 86, Steam, and cut the Steam apps folder to your desktop. Cut, paste. That's your games. Uninstall Steam through Windows Settings, download a fresh installer from steampower.com, run it, then move the Steam apps folder back into the new Steam folder. Restart your PC, then open Steam. Steam should be opening now. Drop a comment saying fixed. If Steam's still not opening, tell me what you're seeing and I'll help you out.